Good morning, everybody. I'm Carrie Connolly. Checking our top stories today. Boston police are stepping up patrols in Southie because several purse snatchings were reported in the past few weeks. Investigators say in one incident, the thief pointed a gun at his victims. Two women were walking together when two men jumped them from behind. And riders in the PAMMAS Challenge are off and riding. A record number of more than 6,000 riders are on the roads this morning. They're heading to Bourne, all in the name of cancer research. The longest two-day ride is 192 miles from Sturbridge to Provincetown. And it's been a nice morning, starting to warm up a little bit for the riders.
Yes,
they started off really nice temps.
Gorgeous and low humidity. The humidity won't be an issue all weekend, actually. Temperatures in the 70s and lower 80s already for some. Boston 77, Plymouth up to 80 degrees. We did have a few showers trying to make their way through Worcester County now, and they're continuing to fall apart, so that's some good news. We keep it mostly sunny this afternoon. Chance for an afternoon pop-up stray shower or storm. Most of us dry though, 89 degrees. Looking ahead to Sunday, 87, still dry, hot for the first half of next week.
Best of luck to all the riders today. We'll see you again in 30 minutes for another update.